The sunset view on this home is stunning, with a heated saltwater pool, sitting on a premium pond view lot. Hallelujah.